Hello everyone, my name is Safa Siddiqui. I'm currently the SAE chapter president for Dallas Formula Racing here at the University of Texas at Dallas.
And my name is Daniel Poslov. I'm the current electrical lead for the internal combustion vehicle.
Every single year we design, build, and race a formula-style vehicle in an international collegiate competition with teams that come from all over the world. We compete with internal combustion and electric vehicle every single year. Every year we have to haul those two cars in this trailer thousands of miles across the country to Michigan every single summer, and we have to do it twice.
Besides just transport, this trailer also serves as the area we work in while we're at competition and any other testings and things like that, where we're working on the car inside, next to it, storing all our tools in there. This is why we need all of the upgrades for the trailer.
Every year it costs thousands of dollars for us to go there, and in order to have these new changes made.
Our current improvements that we're hoping to do on the trailer are going to be adding extra workspaces in the form of workbenches, more lighting, and even a TV